Most penalties missed in football history, Cristiano Ronaldo. Most goals scored in football history, also Cristiano Ronaldo. Most ducks by an Indian batsman, Sachin Tendulkar. The only man to ever score 100 centuries in international cricket, also Sachin Tendulkar. Most losses in Grand Slam finals, Novak Djokovic. Most wins in Grand Slam finals, also Novak Djokovic. So here's what you need to understand. The list of biggest missers and the greatest winners of every sport is the same. Because winners lose more than losers even dare to try. Most people never win big because they never try big. They are just too scared. Too scared of rejection, too scared of embarrassment, too scared of looking stupid. But every champion you admire has failed publicly hundreds of times, and here's the difference. Losers see failure as a reason to stop, while champions see failure as a prize for greatness. So don't fear failure to win, fear dying without seeing your true potential. This was episode 12 of Escaping Average. Follow for content that upgrades you, or keep scrolling, man, you're smart enough.